Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can hide your liked videos from your TikTok profile. Okay, first of all, you can open your TikTok application on your phone. Then what you're gonna do next is clicking on your profile button right here to open your profile. Then you can click on this three lines button on the top right corner of your screen and click on settings and privacy, and there will be a couple of options for you and you have to select privacy. Okay, we can scroll down until we find the liked videos. It's over here. Tap on this liked videos option. Then if you want to hide your liked videos from your TikTok profile, you can switch from everyone to only me. Okay, and after that, your liked videos will be hidden from your TikTok profile, and only you who can see your liked videos. Alright guys, and that's how we can hide liked videos on TikTok profile. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.